Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session we will solve this question number 4 of exercise 11.4. Okay, question number 4 is stating students, a veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Veranda, what is veranda students? See, it is a space, okay, which we usually used to live आउटसाइड आवर रूम. हम अपना घर जब बनाते हैं तो घर के सामने जो एक जगह छोड़ देते हैं, कुछ स्पेस छोड़ देते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज नथिंग बट वेरांडा. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट वेरांडा. ठीक है, तो एक हमारे पास रूम है जो कि रेक्टेंगुलर है बिकॉज इट्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ बोथ आर गिवन. तो पहले मैं एक रफ डायग्राम बनाता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स की, ताकि आपको क्वेश्चन का क्लियर विजन मिल सके. ठीक है, इस रूम की लंबाई जो है वो 5.5 मीटर गिवन है. ठीक है, और इसकी चौड़ाई जो है दैट इज विड्थ इज गिवन 4 मीटर. ठीक है, अब वेरांडा जो छोड़ा गया है वो आउटसाइड से ऑल अराउंड दिस रूम हैज़ बीन लेफ्ट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द वेरांडा लाइक दिस. ठीक है, एंड इट्स विड्थ इज गिवन 2.25 मीटर. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द वेरांडा. आपको इस एरिया वेरांडा जो ये है, ये एरिया वेरांडा का है. ठीक है, ये एरिया आपने कैलकुलेट करना है. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द रेट फॉर सीमेंटिंग द फ्लोर ऑफ दिस वेरांडा एट रेट ₹200 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. अगर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कीमत 200 रुपया है तो उसको पूरे फ्लोर यानी पूरे वेरांडा के एरिया को यानी फ्लोर को सीमेंटेड करने के लिए कितने पैसे खर्च होंगे, ये आपने कैलकुलेट करना है. सो द क्वेश्चन इज एग्जैक्टली सेम एज वी हैव सॉल्व्ड द लास्ट 3 क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, अगेन वी विल कैलकुलेट द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द आउटर एंड इनर rectangles. Okay, in fact inner rectangle it is given, we will calculate outer. ठीक है, so see here students again. Now see from here to here it has been given how much students? It has been given 5.5, right? And from here to here it is 2.25 and from here to here it is 2.25. So if you will add 2.25 and 2.25 then 5 5 10 2 to 4 plus 1 5 and 2 to 4 यानी 4.5 and it was given for 5.5. so if you will add 5.5 then you will get 0 and here 10 means the length of this outer rectangle will be 10 meter. ठीक है, कैसा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना मिल जाएगा हमें? 5.5 मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, इफ़ यू विल ऐड 5.5 plus 2.2 plus 2.2 then you will get 10 meter. ठीक है, similarly from here to here it has been given 4 meter students. so to calculate this one we will add 2.25 then again 2.25. so if you will add them you will get 4.5 and 4 is given as 4.0 is given previously. so here you will have its breadth as how much students? Its breadth will be having as 8.5 meter. Now length and breadth of both the rectangles has been calculated students. so now calculate their area separately and then subtract them to get the area of the veranda. Okay, now I'm going to start the solution. so solution, first write solution, then given data, then given data. so here length of room is equal to given students how much? 5.5 meter. then breadth of room is equal to given how much students? 4 meter. okay, then length of room including veranda you can write, or I am going to write it length of outer rectangle is equal to 10 meter. then similarly breadth of inner rectangle is equal to 8.5 5 meter. Now use the formula to calculate their area by formula. So area of outer rectangle, suppose this is A1 is equal to L into B. How much is L, students? 10 into B. How much is B, students? 8.5. okay, if you will multiply them, 8.5 into 10, you will have 85 and its unit will be meter square. Okay, now similarly we will calculate area of inner rectangle and consider this as A2. So again it will be L into B only. This time L will be 5.5 into 4. Now if you will multiply 5 into 4, you will 5 4 20, 5 4 20 plus 2 22, means you will have 22 meter square. Decimal after one digit, that 0 will be abolished, so we will have 22 meter square. Now again students, area of the veranda means A1 minus A2. okay, now here I am going to calculate area of veranda is equal to A1 minus A2 is equal to A1, how much students? 85 minus how much is A2? 22. So if you will subtract 85 into 22, you will get 3, you will get here 6, right? So you will have area of the veranda as 63 meter square students. Okay? Now if you have to calculate the cost students, then simply we will multiply it with the area, we will get the cost. So here I am going to find the cost. Since cost is equal to area, that is 63 into 200. So 63 to ja 3 to ja 6, 6 to ja 12, okay, followed by 20, means this much of rupees it will cost to cement the area of the veranda. Okay, so area of the veranda 63 meter square and cost will be 12,600 rupees. Okay, so this was your question number 4 students. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.